Do you know, Smidge, what's your name?
Alia.
What are we going to make today? What are we going to make today?
Slime.
Slime. You will need some, what's this? Good.
It's blue.
Glue and some baking soda.
Yeah.
Can you put the baking soda in the glue? All of it. Good girl. Now mix.
What was this?
The pink food color. Squeeze. Good job. Now mix, mix, mix.
What is?
To put some shaving cream. Okay. Add some contact lens solution. Okay, mix. Mix it. Both hands hold it tight. I'll hold it for you, Yellow. Go mix. Okay, now you have slime. Do you want to tip it out on the counter, please?
I get it out.
Okay. Do you want to put some glitter? Now, what have you made? What did you make? Slime. Squishy, squishy slime. Thank you for watching.